So we'll see the next concept under percentage. So here the question is, so if for company Toyota, this car company, 32% of all cars produced in 2010 is diesel. So 43% of all cars produced in 2011 is diesel. So in which year diesel car production was higher? So which year it was higher? So what you will do? So we will see here 43% is higher and we will go for the option 2011. So but this is wrong because the base is not known. So here in 2010 32%, in 2011 43%. Only the percentage is given and the base is not given. So without knowing the base, the answer will be cannot be determined. So seeing this, so in a hurry, so don't go for higher percentage. So here as the base is not known, answer will be cannot be determined. Say for example, if 32% of all cars, say suppose all cars value is 2000 and in 2011 the number of cars is 1000. Now what will be the exact value? 2000, in this 2000 32%. So it will be 640. So value will be 640 number of diesel cars. So if the base is 2000, so it will be 640. And if it is for 1000, so what will be the number of cars? It will be just 430. So without knowing the base, so we can't determine which year. So we are asked to find which year diesel car production was higher. So without knowing the base, so we cannot determine the answer. So answer should be cannot be determined. Because this 32% if it is for higher value and if this 43% if it is for lower value, so value will be lesser. So with the mere percentages, so we cannot determine the value because the base is not known. So we'll see the next concept under percentages. So the next concept, so we'll see an example. So the question given here is, so in 3 branches of a bank A, B and C, number of employees given, so 270 in branch A, so in branch B 145 and in branch C 180. So the percentage of ladies is given in each branch. So in branch A, out of 270, the percentage of ladies 30%, and for B it is 40% in this 145, and for C out of 180, 45% percentage of ladies. Now what is the question? So what is the overall percent of ladies in all the 3 branches? So we are asked to find percentage, overall percentage of all the ladies. So here the percentage given is 30, 40, 45. So adding all and dividing by 3. So what's the value? So add all. So 30 plus 40, 70 plus 45. So it is 115 by 3. And dividing this with 3, so it is 38.33%. And now what's the answer? 38.33. Is it correct? So when the base is different, we can't work out with the percentages. If the values are same, if the base is same, we can work out with percentage itself. So here in each branch number of employees is different, the base is different, so we can't work out with the percentages. And now how to do the working? So we have to find number of ladies out of this 270. So in branch A, we have to find 30% of 270 and 40% of 145 and then 45% of 180. So we'll see how many ladies are there in branch A, B and C. And what is 30% of 270? So it is multiplying or finding 10%, it is 27, then 20% it is 54, and then 30% it is 81. Or here so 81 ladies, 30% of 270. And what will be value of 40% of 145? So 10% will be 145, 14.5. So we can multiply this with 4. So when you double, it is 290, and then into 4 it will be 580. So percentage will be, number of value will be 58, and we will find the percentage. So multiplying it as 580 by 10. So number of ladies in branch B, it is 58. And now 45% of 180. So now you can use this 5-man army concept also. So 5 multiplying with a even number. And how we can split this? 9 into 2 into 45 by 10. So combining this 45 and 2, it is 9 into 90 by 10. So what is 9 into 9? It is 81. So number of ladies in this 180, 45%. So we have split this 18, the even number, 5 multiplied with a even number. We saw this technique in the speed max concept, so 5-man army concept. So ending with 5, so taking this 2 and combining it is 90 into 9, so 810 by 10 or 81. So out of this 180, 45%, we have 81 ladies. Now how to find the overall percentage? Add all the ladies in 3 branches by total number of employees. So now what will be total number of ladies in all the 3 branches? So adding this, it is 16 and 5, it is 22. So we have 220 ladies in all the 3 branches. And how to find the percentage? Divide by total number of employees. And adding all this value, so 220 by 595 into 100. So now we need to find the percentage. Now we can make splitter for the denominator and find what percentage of the denominator is the numerator. So no need to consider this 100. So we can start with 10%. So it's not that in exam for each and every question you have to write all this. So just when you practice, by practice with the scanning the denominator itself, you will get the percentage. So 10% of 595 is 59.5. So we can take approximately as 60. So 10% is 60. So what will be 20%? 120. So more than 120. What will be 30%? 180. So we have 30%, 180. And if you check for 40%, so 40% of 595, that's approximately we have taken 10% 60, it will be 240. So now 220 is more than 180 and 220 is less than 240. So the percentage is in between 30 and 40. More than 30 and less than 40%. So if you take 30%, so it is 180. And how much we have more than 180? It is 40 more. So we can check 40 for 60. And you can pay 2 by 3 or 0.6. So it means into 100, 6%. So go for percentage, which is more than 36%. So answer will be 36 point decimal. So here 30% is 180. So for 180 we write 30% and 40 more than 180. So 40 by 60, when we work out percentage, it is 2/3. 2/3 is 0.6. So 30 plus 6%. So go for an option which is 36 point decimal. So choose the option accordingly. Choose the answer accordingly with the options. So here, as the base is different, to find overall percentage, so we can't work out with the percentages alone. So when you work out with percentage, you will get a wrong answer. So you have to find the values, number of ladies in each branch, find the total by total number of employees, and making splitter for the denominator, you can find the corresponding percentage. So now based on this, we'll work out a few questions to find the percentage. How to find percentage, and the examples were taken from previous exams.